Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel. For today's vlog we've got a Lenovo Ideapad 330 IKBR. So this is from Brazil and we are changing its hard drive. So it's got a mechanic hard drive and it's very slow. The customer says that the computer started getting slow about a year ago, but the laptop has been in the drawer for a while and now she needs it for work. So the best thing that we can do here is to upgrade to an SSD hard drive. So opening, it's very easy on this laptop. Just unscrew all of the screws at the bottom of the laptop and then open the lid. Now, before we continue on to the video, if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and it will help us grow the channel. And if you enjoy videos like this, please do hit that like button. So as I mentioned, opening the laptop, it's very easy and simple to do. So unscrew all the screws and then you just need a tool here, just like I have, to open the laptop cover at the bottom without causing any damage. So here I'm also using a screwdriver because it is quite tightly set up here from factory, so it is a bit, just a tiny bit more difficult to get it off, but it is we can get it open without breaking anything, which is awesome. So here I'm opening the laptop, as you can see, very carefully. I've got the tool on the other side and just need to lift up the lid very gently, and there you go, it is open. So we've got the hard drive there, we've got the fan there that it's got a bit of dust, which I'm just going to dust it off, clean it up a bit and make sure it's functioning correctly. We're not going to change the thermal paste on this one. It would be advisable to do so. However, the problem is not the thermal paste, it's just the hard drive. So of course, if you want to do some maintenance, we can do it. So doing a visual inspection here. So the battery looks all right, all the other components look good, so we're not going to touch them. So we're just going to remove the mechanical hard drive. So this is a Western Digital drive that has 1 gig of data storage. Just lift off the cover here and remove the drive. Very simple and easy to do as well. As you can see, just lift it up and remove it. And then once that is done, we will then install the new SSD drive. So we've got the SSD drive here. Very easy as well to install. Just need to make sure that we are getting to the correct whole support. And this is it, done. It is in support now, and we can now install the new SSD drive onto the computer. So this is 480 gig. It's a small drive, however, we are going to use the old mechanical drive as an external disk as well. So we're going to put it into a case and then the customer can use that to store data, whilst the SSD, it's got the operating system as well as all the other software that the customer needs to run. We were going to upgrade the RAM as well. However, we don't have any RAM available here to install now, but we will order one for the customer, and once it arrives, we will be able to install it. Dust off a bit here on the fan because it's really dirty and it's got a lot of dust, and this can cause heating problems. So the heatsink, it's not blocked, which is good, and we just need the fan to keep on working without any problems whatsoever. The laptop, and then we will install Windows on it. So for this part of installing Windows, I'm not gonna sit here and wait to go through it, but you can see here that to enter the BIOS, you need to press the F2 key and then change the boot order to start with the USB. And once you do that, just restart the laptop and start installing Windows. And this is it for today's vlog. SuperTeki is here to support you if you need any computing services in Lisbon, Portugal. And yeah, that's it really for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and like I mentioned before, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do hit that like button. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love